Almost forgot the microphone. Good day, everybody. Today's the 8th of February, 2025. Today we're going to talk about what's happening in real estate, maybe few notes on the 10-year bond, which is where mortgage rates are actually dependent upon, and not the big Fed rate change that you typically see out there when people are talking about real estate in the Fed meeting. It is actually that 10-year bond. One of the things I will share with you is that if the government does succeed in shrinking itself, it will create more confidence in that 10-year bond. More entities and people and so on will purchase it, thereby lowering housing interest rates on mortgages. Well, we'll have to wait and see, but that's a very simplistic way of putting it, and it could actually happen, and that may be something, instead of to be sad about, maybe excited about. So here's the next thing. We have 528 active listings as of today, and today, of course, is the 8th of February, tomorrow's Super Bowl. I don't even know who's playing, but if you are into that thing, you go for it. And I hope it's the best that it's ever been for you. Of these 528 listings, those are composed of all of Santa Clarita Valley housing. It's going to be single family residences, townhomes, and also condominiums for sale. Yesterday, I had a fantastic show with a local lender, Tim Sleminski, and he did talk about how a first-time buyer, even a veteran buyer in 2025 should be approaching real estate from a lending perspective, looking at their bills and what they're paying out. Then in addition, how to maybe bulletproof themselves for the future with regard to their finances. So please check out that show. You can find that at First Responder Realtor on YouTube. And finally, we do see the numbers are creeping up here as far as inventory goes in the Santa Clarita Valley cities. In the last couple weeks, we've had quite a big increase. Over 70 listings have been posted for sale in a period of 7 days. That is actually quite high, and it does way overrun by at least 50% the number of homes that are actually selling. So we're seeing more of a build in real estate. That is not unusual. That was expected, as I forecasted last December of 2024. We will have to find out if that buyer drive, as we get into more into February, because we're kind of early, and then into March, what's going to end up happening with buyers out there, and if that buyer drive is going to start to become higher than the seller drive, then we'll have that frenzy that we saw last year and even the year before, where we had a lot of listings going for more than the sellers were asking. If that doesn't happen, however, we'll start to see some reductions in price. I'll keep you posted. SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. We'll see you in the next one.